Hello, David here, and the project for today is I'm transferring ownership of the 97 Corvette to Barbara. Barbara is the new owner now, and she's going to be driving it home. And you guys saw my other videos on the car, and they got a lot of favorable responses on it. And this is the last of my video on the Corvette. So beautiful car. There she goes, driving away. My last look at the Corvette. Wave goodbye, everybody. Actually, Barbara's making this a gift to her husband for Valentine's Day. He doesn't know about it, so isn't he in for a surprise? Listen to that mellow, throaty roar, the V8 power. So long, best of luck. Don't forget to start it up every week to keep the battery charged. Okay, safe travels.